A standard conductive coating will lay down flawlessly across a flat test coupon, but that laboratory illusion shatters inside a modern system and package, where RF devices, memory, and power electronics are crammed together with only millimeters to spare. Wrapping a reliable 5-micron thick shield around that microscopic jagged topography is a brutal physical challenge, because the days of isolating those frequencies from the outside are over. As component density surges, bulky external metal cans and traditional board-level shields have become entirely obsolete.
OnlyTRAININGS. Learn what works in the industry.
The entire burden of electromagnetic interference has collapsed directly onto the package itself, forcing manufacturers to rely on coatings that are systematically failing on the production line. Surviving that environment requires an exact intersection of material chemistry and precise spray processing. Strike a sheer vertical sidewall, and an ultra-thin conformal coating stretches, thins out, and immediately loses electrical continuity. Expose that same layer to high humidity or thermal cycling, and it violently loses adhesion, cracking and peeling away from the epoxy molding compound. When forced to navigate the extreme, multi-level geometry of an integrated package, raw conductivity means nothing if the material cannot withstand the constant assault of physical stress. Yet the most insidious failures happen where you can't even see them. Compartment shielding pastes are leaving invisible air pockets and microscopic voids trapped deep inside narrow semiconductor trenches. Attempt to cure those materials, and you trigger a volatile clash between the chemical heat requirements of the coating and the strict thermal budgets of modern processors. Conventional EMC testing completely misses these high-frequency weaknesses, leaving engineers blind to a fragile balancing act of rheological control and long-term device reliability. Breaking through these blind spots requires an entirely new diagnostic framework. Package-level EMI shielding materials, formulation, processing, and troubleshooting steps, entirely beyond flat coupon theory, delivering the exact chemical targets and processing metrics used by active industry experts. Are your spray coating dynamics inherently flawed at the source? Are your failure diagnostics looking in the completely wrong place? Is your rheological formula just one additive away from perfect sidewall coverage? Register to the training and master the formulation and processing secrets required to survive complex 3-dimensional geometry.